If you're new here and don't subscribe my channel yet, then please subscribe it and press the bell icon for more updates.
Welcome back guys. For this photo tutorial I'm gonna use Picsart. So open Picsart, then click to the plus icon, and from here pick canvas.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
From here go to add photo and choose the background photo. I use this photo as my background. Then do some little adjustment here.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
After that click to the plus icon, and from here go to add photo again. And choose this photo and adjust it with the background photo. Then do some little adjustment here.
No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I will use this photo as my model.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Then erase the outside area of the model.
Them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Erase smoothly and carefully. I erase faster for making the video short. You have enough time to erase it carefully. Then adjust the model with the background photo. Go option and click to the right arrow, and from here you can save the photo to your gallery. All the photo used in video link in description. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates, and also follow me on my Insta account, link in the description.